What you about to witness is my thoughts. Just my thoughts, man. Right or wrong, just what I was feeling at the time. You ever felt like this? Vibe with me.
So, I'm chilling at this lake, right? And I just noticed something that really brought a concept to mind. So, there's these turtles over there, right? They're just chilling on this log. And like, they all are sharing this common resource. They all have this concept in mind of basking. And they all get this accomplished by, not hogging space on a log and working together to make sure that everyone gets to accomplish this one goal and utilize the resource. I just look at our communities, right? Particularly in the Bahamas, because that's where I'm from. And I see that we have all these resources, but instead of working together to ensure that we all are successful, sometimes we, hog these resources and we don't try to uplift each other, and we have this crab in a bucket mentality where we pull each other down. I just think like there's so much space for all us to grow, and there's enough resources for all us to utilize and grow, that we should use them. We can all be successful, but it's just like a mindset change. You can't just, feel that my success kills someone else's success. I think we just need to be conscious of this and work diligently to, just ensure that we all succeed. We all work together. And if you have a way that you can help someone, collaborate with them, work with them. We can all advance. It's just, a team effort. Like, I just look at it. You may have certain resources that someone else doesn't have, and someone else has certain resources you don't have. So it's like resource asymmetry. Like, everyone doesn't have the same thing. So you can basically collaborate with each other and advance way further than you would have made it just working by yourself. We just have to work together, not be selfish, and have everyone's interests at heart.